Struggling with chunky ice ruining your smoothies? Cold face emoji. Today, we're diving into the top 8 blenders that crush ice effortlessly, making your drink silky smooth every time. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which one suits you, and you can grab them easily through links below. On number 8 is Chefman Obliterator. Ever wondered if a blender could actually obliterate ice like a pro without waking the whole house? Meet the Chefman Obliterator, a 1380-watt powerhouse that turns stubborn ice into silky smoothies in seconds. Compared to others on our top 8 list, this one feels like a luxury sports car, fast, precise, and shockingly quiet. Its 48 ounces Triton jar handles everything from frozen fruits to hot soups, giving you peace of mind and serious versatility. The auto blend feature takes the guesswork out of blending, perfect for anyone tired of uneven textures. Cleaning? A breeze with the preset clean mode or dishwasher safe parts. Sure, it's a bit louder than some quiet models, but the crushing power is unmatched. If you want smooth, consistent drinks without stress, this is your smart kitchen companion. At number 7 is Ninja Mega Kitchen System. Think your blender can handle ice like snow in seconds? The Ninja Mega Kitchen System proves most can't, even some in our top 8 list, until you meet its 1500-watt powerhouse motor. This beast turns frozen fruit and ice into velvety smoothies effortlessly, giving serious peace of mind for busy mornings or entertaining. The XL 72-ounce pitcher crushes massive batches, while the 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups make personal shakes a breeze, perfect for anyone tired of juggling multiple appliances. Total crushing technology ensures icy textures are flawless every time. Cleanup is simple, and its multi-blade system tackles everything from dough to puree without breaking a sweat. Compared to other blenders on our list, it's louder but more versatile. If you want smart, reliable crushing power for every kitchen task, this one's a safe, stress-free choice. Who else wants to test? On number 6 is CRANDDI Commercial Blender. Ever wondered if a blender could crush ice quietly without waking up the whole house? The CRANDDI Commercial Blender K85 might just be the hidden gem in our top 8 list. With a 1500-watt motor and 24,000 revolutions per minute, it powers through frozen fruit, ice, and even tough ingredients effortlessly, perfect for smoothies, shakes, or even ice cream. Its 80-ounce large-capacity pitcher handles 8 to 11 cups at once, saving time and stress, while the 9-speed variable control lets you fine-tune every texture. The removable soundproof cover is a game-changer for peaceful mornings. Cleanup? Super simple with the self-cleaning function. Compared to others on our list, it's quieter than the Ninja Mega but just as powerful, making it ideal for home or small commercial setups. If you want crushing power, versatility, and peace of mind, this one's a smart, reliable choice. Curious to see how it stacks against the Chefman Obliterator? At number 5 is WantJoin Professional Blender. Ever wondered if a blender could crush ice at lightning speed without shaking your kitchen? The WantJoin Professional Blender delivers just that. With a 2200-watt motor and dual-direction blades spinning up to 38,000 revolutions per minute, it powers through ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients with impressive consistency, perfect for family smoothies or party-sized batches. Its quiet, soundproof shield keeps noise minimal, giving you peace of mind while blending, and the 80 ounces pitcher handles large volumes effortlessly. With 15 speed controls, pulse function, and a handy feeding lid for dense ingredients, you're in full control. Compared to others on our top 8 list, it's louder than CRANDDI but more powerful and commercial ready. If you want crushing power, smart design, and long-term reliability, this blender is a solid choice. Who's ready to experience effortless ice crushing at home? At number 4 is COZII Countertop Blenders. Ever imagined a blender that could crush ice to snow without rattling your kitchen? The COZII Countertop Blender does exactly that. With its 2000-watt industrial-grade motor, it powers through ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients in seconds, making every smoothie, shake, or slush perfectly smooth. The 64-ounce large-capacity pitcher and 21-ounce to-go cup make it versatile for family mornings or quick personal drinks. Its 7 smart preset programs and 8 speed adjustments put complete control at your fingertips, no guessing, just perfect textures every time. Compared to other top 8 blenders, it's quieter than the WantJoin and almost as powerful, making it a peaceful yet professional choice. Cleanup is effortless with dishwasher-safe, BPA-free parts, and the 5-year warranty gives real peace of mind. If you want smart, reliable ice crushing power, COZII is a safe, confident choice. Who else wants that perfect, velvety? On number 3 is WaterElfo Smoothies blenders. Can a blender really crush ice quietly while handling high-volume smoothies like a pro? The WaterElfo Smoothies blender proves it can. With a 2200-watt pure copper brushless motor, it powers through ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients with incredible speed, while using less energy, perfect for busy kitchens or cafes. Its 2 liters heavy-duty pitcher and multi-angle 6-blade system leave no dead spots, ensuring ultra-smooth results every time. Unlike some other top 8 options, it's whisper quiet thanks to the sound enclosure, making early mornings or crowded spaces stress-free. Built-in overload protection and self-cleaning features offer peace of mind and convenience. Compared to WantJoin, it's equally powerful but quieter, making it ideal for home or professional use. If you want effortless, silky drinks and smart, reliable performance, this blender is a confident, safe choice. Ready to experience cafe-quality blends at home? At number 2 is OMMO Blender. Ever wondered if a blender could crush ice, frozen fruit, and tough ingredients without breaking a sweat? The OMMO Blender does exactly that. With a 1400-watt motor, 1800-watt peak, and 6 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, it turns ice into silky smooth textures in seconds, perfect for families, fitness enthusiasts, or busy home chefs. Its 68-ounce BPA-free pitcher handles up to 8 cups in one go, making large batches stress-free. Adjustable speed, pulse, and a built-in 6-minute timer give total control for precise, consistent results. Compared to other top 8 blenders, it's quieter than CRANDDI but slightly less powerful than WaterElfo, yet ideal for everyday home use. Cleanup is effortless with self-cleaning, dishwasher-safe, or hand wash options. With the included 10-recipe guide, inspiration is at your fingertips. If you want dependable ice-crushing power and convenience, OMMO is a smart, worry-free choice. Who's ready to try it? Now moving to the last one is Cleanblend high-performance blenders. Ever struggled with ice chunks ruining your smoothie? The Cleanblend high-performance blender tackles that problem head-on. With a 3-horsepower, 1800-watt motor and 8 razor-sharp stainless steel blades, it crushes ice, frozen fruit, and even hot ingredients with ease, delivering silky smooth results every time. Its all-in-one design replaces multiple appliances, perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces, margaritas, or even batters. The large BPA-free pitcher handles heavy-duty, commercial-sized batches, making it ideal for families, restaurants, or home chefs who hate doing multiple blends. Compared to CRANDDI or OMMO, it's slightly more robust for big batches, but still easy to control thanks to variable speed settings. Cleanup is simple, and food-grade materials ensure safety and durability. If you want power, precision, and reliability without compromise, Cleanblend gives peace of mind and smoothie perfection in every glass. Who's ready to blend smarter, not harder? After testing all contenders, the Cleanblend high-performance blender stands out as the winner for crushing ice in daily use. Its 1800-watt motor with 8 precision blades pulverizes ice, frozen fruit, and ingredients consistently smooth. The large BPA-free pitcher handles big batches effortlessly. It replaces multiple appliances, works for smoothies to soups, and keeps safety high with food-grade materials. Compared to others on our top 8 list, it delivers the best balance of power, reliability, and versatility, making it the smartest choice you'll feel confident using every day. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best blender for crushing ice. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.